In this video, we are going to learn about the BTU or British Thermal Unit. On the nameplate of an AC unit, you will often see ratings like 12,000 BTU or 24,000 BTU. A higher BTU value means the unit has a higher cooling capacity. Conversely, a lower BTU value means the cooling capacity is lower. But what exactly is a BTU? That is exactly what we are going to explore in this video. By definition, 1 BTU is the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. I'm not sure if that definition makes sense to you yet, but by the end of this video, you will definitely understand it. To understand why this unit exists, we have to look at history. In the early days, coal was the most important fuel, much like oil is today. At that time, if you bought a ton of coal, no one knew exactly how much heat it would produce. This was a major problem, because coal was the primary fuel used to run steam engines. Some coal was high quality and generated a lot of heat, while other coal was lower quality and produced very little. This created a lot of confusion in the industry because it was difficult to identify which coal would keep a steam engine running for a longer time. Despite these differences in quality, all coal was being sold at the same price. Because of this, engineers decided that a unit for heat was necessary. However, unlike solids or liquids, heat cannot be seen or touched. For solids, we can take a specific weight and call it a kilogram to measure other masses. Similarly, for liquids, we use a specific volume, like a liter, as a base for measurement. But heat cannot be measured physically in that same way. To solve this, British engineers came up with a brilliant idea. They took 1 pound of water and measured its starting temperature. As they heated the water, heat energy was transferred to it. They noted that when the temperature of that water increased by exactly 1 degree Fahrenheit, exactly 1 unit of heat energy had been transferred. They named this the British Thermal Unit or BTU. Think of it this way: if you heat 2 pounds of water and the temperature increases by 1 degree, you have transferred 2 BTUs of heat energy. If you heat 10 pounds of water and the temperature increases by 1 degree, you have transferred 10 BTUs of heat energy. In this way, 1 pound of water became the base for measuring heat transfer. This method allowed engineers to finally determine the quality of coal. For instance, if you use 10 grams of coal to heat 10 pounds of water, the temperature will increase by 15 degrees Fahrenheit. This means those 10 grams of coal generated 150 BTUs of heat. Based on this, 1 pound of that same coal would generate around 7,000 BTUs. By measuring different types of coal this way, they discovered exactly how much energy each type contained. They found that anthracite coal generates 14,000 BTUs per pound. Bituminous coal generates between 11,000 and 12,000 BTUs, while lignite coal generates between 4,000 and 7,000 BTUs. After this discovery, people who used to buy coal only by the ton started checking the BTU value first. This allowed industries to easily distinguish between high quality and low quality fuel. Eventually, this same measurement for heat energy moved into the HVAC industry, which is why we still use it for air conditioners today. To visualize 1 BTU in your daily life, imagine burning a single kitchen matchstick completely down to the wood. The heat generated is approximately equal to 1 BTU of energy. I hope you now understand the history and definition of the BTU. For those who know how many BTUs of heat a normal human being generates in 1 hour, please let us know in the comments section. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the Zebra Learnings channel. Thank you.